So this video is how to upload an assignment if you had done it on paper and you want to put it up on our Kami paper on Canvas. So it's best if you have the Canvas student app on your phone. So you want to make sure you have that app. And then once you open it up, you're going to go to whatever class you're trying to add this into. I made up one for myself. I'm calling it Integrated 2MA Just Me, so I can be a student in it. Go to the assignment, okay? And let's say that this is the assignment here. So I'm going to click on this. And it's going to say down at the bottom here, launch external tool. Now, first off, if you haven't used the Canvas app before, it might ask you to sign in on your Google account. It also might ask you to allow access to your Google Drive. Kami might also. So once you hit this, you're launching into Kami. Okay, and Kami might ask you that the first time, and then it should be off and you shouldn't have to worry about that. So I'm going to the assignment. Okay, this one was 2-1 to 2-4 that we did in class for my Integrated 2MA on Monday. So I'm going to go to the page that I want to add something onto. I switched this menu to this side just for this demonstration. So when you're looking at the menu, you have this one down here, which is Add Media. So I'm going to click Add Media. I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can do this. If you've already taken the picture, then you can go to your file. Okay, go to Files. And the picture should already be there. So let's say it's this picture. Now, when I do that, it's going to say drop. All you got to do to drop it is just touch your phone and now it's dropped, and then you can move it around. Now, if you want to extend it and everything and make it bigger, I probably would do that on the actual computer. Okay, so that was one way to do that. Now, let's say on this next page, I try doing it where I haven't taken the picture. So if I haven't taken the picture, there's two ways you can go about doing it. You can then again go to Add Media. Okay. They have a camera here that you can do. It's going to take you to face loading, face front, and then you're going to go and choose back. I don't know the difference between these two. We'll see. And I'm right now taking a picture. So let me kind of zoom out here as much as I can. So right now I am taking a picture, okay, of this. Take my picture. There's my picture. Again, it says drop, and I drop it on the page, and then I can move it around, okay? Another option, I'm going to do this on the same page. I'll just take the picture again here. I didn't actually flip the page. So let's actually flip the page this time and do the backside. So another way to do this is, again, go to the Add Media. They go to Add Media. Go to the file again. When you do, it actually is going to go to camera and allow you to use your camera there. And so I'm going to be taking the picture. Let me just get my picture. Okay, got my picture. Okay. And then it did that. Let me drop it. Okay, that's dropped. And there it is. Now, if I want to try to see these better and maybe enlarge them and crop it if I want, I can go to my computer. That's probably the best way to do this. So let me just get my computer screen. Okay, so here you see it dropped that one. This was the one. And so if I come here on my arrow, click on it, I can drag it out if I want to make it do the full page. Okay. And I can crop it if I want down here. It'll allow me to crop. And again, I can move it around. Okay, so this one, let me get it a little larger so we can see it. So this one was when I had a picture on my phone and I added it on. Okay, I already had it taken. Okay, this one here, And let me just add another page just so I can show us the difference between the quality, at least on my phone, might be different on different phones. I know I had some students do the Cami one and it didn't do as well on theirs. Maybe it was the angle they were taking it. But let me just get back to, okay. So I'm going to take this other one. I'm just going to take it to the other page. I can't drag it to the page. I'm just going to come here, click on this, copy, scroll down here, and I'm just going to paste it onto this page so I can deal with it here in a second. Okay, so let me just get rid of this so I don't have both of those on this page. So this one here was the one where I used the camera on the Cami app. Okay, again, I can come here, move it around, enlarge it. Okay, enlarge it. Let me shrink this down so I can enlarge it. And again, if you want, you can always crop. There's the, oops, I had it there. Crop. Take a second to pop up. And then I can crop this if I wanted to. Okay. You can always crop it. And then adjust it from there. So this one, let me zoom in. This one was with the Cami app. Maybe not as clear, to be honest, the camera on the Cami app. This one was where I went to file and I chose camera. I definitely want to crop this one because this one kind of gave me an elongated picture. So if I'm cropping this, one more time, if I'm cropping this, let's click out first, okay. And then let me expand it. Let me shrink it down so I can expand it. So this one here was when I went to the file under Add Media, use the camera option from that. This one here, I use the camera on Cami. I feel like that one's maybe a little bit more blurry. This one here, I had taken a picture just on my phone. And then I went to that same Add Media and File, chose it from under Files and added that on. And then you can hit Submit and your assignment's done.